Very quick update, nearly the end of February. It's been quite mild really, last few days. So I decided to take a chance and get some broad bean plants put in. These are the ones that I start off in toilet rolls. They're just showing nicely, so I thought, right, we'll get them in. I need the space in the greenhouse anyway for other stuff. So I put in 30 plants there, dibbed a hole with a bulb planter, and then just drop the toilet roll centre in with the bean in it. Rake it back a little bit round the top, they'll take off and go like hell. And what did I put in here? 39. There's 78 shallots in that little plot. Good wide walkway up through the middle. I found last year I planted them too tight together and I had a job to get in there and hoe out the weeds. So this year, new plot, new theory on width of paths. I got enough space here to do it. So and yes, I have put down some slug pellets. They are the eco ones, and supposedly they're safe. I'm so sick and tired and fed up with slugs, it's unbelievable. But there we go. Got some stuff in the ground, that's the main thing. Now all we got to do is tend it and keep it going until we can harvest it. Very quick catch up from in the greenhouse. The ground's still too wet, still too cold. Where I live in West Dorset, we're on the side of the hill. The ground's cold, it's heavy. The rhubarb is just down the bottom, trying to get through, when people a few miles down the road have got it up nearly 2 feet high. That's how much of a climate change we've got between us and just down the road. But anyway, we still got to try and tackle it, and I will be doing that soon. So what we've got in here is just a quick catch up on how the seeds are going really. The onion seeds are doing well. The Ailsa Craig here in the front are superb. Caravel not so good this year. I don't know why. Might have to start some more, a bit late, but there we go. And we got leeks, and we got banana shallots, and we got some more onions in here. Bedford Champion, Kelsey, Leon Prize Taker, fresh seed, and they look bloody awful. I can't remember where I got them from. Probably Thompson and Morgan, one of the worst seed companies in the world. I'll have a look when I get indoors. And the Mammoth Red, again, I think Thompson and Morgan, not fantastic, not the best. There we go. Beetroot, coming on nicely in the soil blocks. Took a chance and put them out. We got mice in here. I can't figure out where they're coming in from. The problem is with mice, they get through really tiny holes you wouldn't even think of. And these are the onions from Pips. They're growing on nicely. Gave them a little bit of fertilizer yesterday, a bit of water. Don't want to spoil them yet, and then they can go out soon. And these came out today. These are a few more cabbages and 5 little lettuces. It's started to go a bit leggy indoors under the lights, so they've had to come out here and take their chances. But we'll see. They might be alright, they might not. Spring cabbages starting to heart up. The ones outdoors in the beds are actually running to seed already. So that just goes to show that the temperatures are all over the place down here. And it does make me realise that I need to address everything that I do. So the garden this year, we're going to get away from no dig, because as I've said before, no dig doesn't work for everybody. I know. There we go. Keep on gardening.